So hi, I just got this lovely large mat from Amazon, and this morning I just finished my yoga class, which I Zoom. Wanted to do a review on this mat. One of the things I'm always looking for is a mat sticky, right? The last thing I want to do is a downward facing dog and have my hand slide out from under me. And so this is sticky enough that I can do my downward facing dog and walk the dog and not worry about sliding off. I like this because I was able to do poses that were wide as well as long. So for stickiness, it's good. For size, it's excellent. It's also easy to roll up and store. 5 stars.